Okay, we're going to do some more questions based on the identities which we've already discussed with you. We've already done few questions, around about five questions I think I've done with you. Let me do start the next set of questions, sixth one. Let's do the sixth question now. Let's do the sixth question now. What is the sixth question? It is 10a plus sec a minus 1, 10a plus sec a minus 1 upon 10a minus sec a plus 1. It has to be proven equal to 1 plus sine a upon cos a. Alright, let's take left hand side. Let's take left hand side. Let's take left hand side. In the left hand side, what do we have is 10a plus sec a minus 1 is okay. Then what next we do is 1 and you take out common minus. So it will become sec a minus 10a. If you remember in previous lectures, we told you sec a plus 10a into sec a minus 10a. We know, I'll write it down so that it'll refresh your memory. We know that sec a minus 10a into sec a plus 10a is equal to 1. We told you these are reciprocals of each other. These are reciprocals of each other. Or I can write sec a minus 10a equal to 1 upon sec a plus 10a. So wherever we see sec a minus 10a, I can replace it by 1 upon sec a plus 10a, and that's what exactly I'm going to do in this question. Like left hand side on the numerator, I have 10a plus sec a minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon sec a plus 10a. Sec a plus 10a. So what will happen? What is going to happen? Let's take the LCM. Let's take the LCM. It will become 10a plus sec a minus 1, and when I take the LCM it will become here sec a plus 10a minus 1, and this sec a plus 10a will come up because it was 1 upon, so it will come sec a plus 10a. Do you understand why? because this was denominator of denominator. It was denominator of denominator, so denominator of denominator will come into numerator. It will come into numerator. And in here you see 10a plus sec a minus 1, sec a plus 10a minus 1, both will cancel with each other because they are the same. So you get sec a plus 10a. Sec a is what? 1 upon cos a. Sin a plus cos a. 10a is sin a plus sin a upon cos a. And we can take the LCM. We can take the LCM as cos a. So you'll get answer as 1 plus sin a upon cos a, which is your right hand side. Which is your right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's what we had to prove. That's what exactly what we had to prove. So in this question we use, and I told you, if I remember, and if you see my earlier videos also, you will find that we had said that this sec a plus 10a into sec a minus 10a are reciprocal. They are going to be very important. They are going to be used very often in trigonometry and otherwise also. Also, cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A are also reciprocals of each other, and they will be also used very often in trigonometry. Now, this was question number 6. Let us see question number 7. Let's see question number 7, where he says 2 into sine to the power 6a, 2 into sine to the power 6a plus cos to the power 6a minus 3 sine to the power 4a plus cos to the power 4a. Find the values. Find the values. Find the values. So let us see how do we find and what do we do. Okay. Uh, left hand side. Let's in this only left hand side is there. Let's start the question. We have to find the value. So we start the question. There is no question of left hand side here. There is no question of left hand side here. Yes, we are going to start the question itself. 2 into sine square a to the power 3 plus cos square a to the power 3 minus 3 sine to the power 4a plus cos to the power 4a. Now a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, if we find the factors of a cube plus b cube, what do we find? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, I think. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. A cube plus b cube has factors a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here it is sine square a to the power 3 plus cos square a to the power 3, and you realize that in place of a I have sine square a, in place of b I have a cos square a. So let us see what do we get. 2, and what will we do? Sine square a, so sine square a plus cos square a will be one factor, a plus b is the first factor, then a square, square of the first term, sine to the power 4a plus cos to the power 4a minus 2 sine square a cos square a using a cube minus b cube. This is, we have opened the first, and in the second bracket I have minus 3 sine 4a plus cos 4a. Now sine square a plus cos square a will become 1. Sine square a plus cos square a, the first bracket, sine square a plus cos square a will become 1. So what will you get? You will get 2, and I'll get sine to the power 4a plus cos to the power 4a minus 2 sine square a cos square a, and here I'll get minus 3 sine 4a minus 3 cos 4a. When I'll open this bracket, I'll multiply everything by 2. It will be 2 sine 4a plus 2 cos to the power 4a minus 4 sine square a cos square a minus 3 sine to the power 4a minus 3 to the power cos 4a. Is that clear? Now 2 sine to the power 4a minus 3 to the power sine 4a will give me minus sine to the power 4a. Then this 2 cos to the power 4a minus 3 to the power cos 4a will give you minus cos to the power 4a. And what else will I get? What else will I get? Not 2 here. AB. I made a mistake. AB. It was AB. Why have I written 2 here? Why have I written 2 here? It is not 2 here. It was AB only. It was AB only. It was AB only. So it will come out to be uh, it will come out to be only at this place too. That's clear. So minus 2 sine square a cos square a. If you take minus common, I'll get minus sine 4a plus cos 4a plus 2 sine square a cos square a. These kind of mistakes which I made in between can be made very easy, and this will disturb the whole question, because at the end I'll be getting 4 sine square a cos square a, which would not have made what I wanted here to be. And this is actually, if you see, it is sine square a plus cos square a whole square. It is equal to whole square. Sine square a plus cos square a is what? 1. So it will be minus and 1 whole square. So it will be minus 1. The value of this comes out to be minus 1. The value of this comes out to be minus 1. It comes out to be minus 1. So we were able to calculate the value by minus 1. And again the formula a cube plus b cube. I wrote the right formula, but when I applied into the question, instead of AB, I wrote 2AB, and that is why in the end it was going to create a problem for us. This was question number 7. Let's see question number 8 now. Let's see question number 8. Sec 4a 1 minus 1 minus sine square sine 4a minus 210 square a. We have to find out the values. We have to find out the value of the expression. We have to find out the value of the expression. Okay, sec for a, it could be written as 1 minus sine square a 1 plus sine square a, because it was 1 minus sine to the power 4a, so I can write it as a square minus b square as factor a minus b, a plus b, so 1 minus sine square a, 1 plus sine square a minus 2 tan square a, minus 2 tan square a. Now this will become cos square a, cos square a. This is cos square a, sec 4a. It will become how much? 1 minus sine square a will become cos square a. 1 plus sine square a, and here it is what? Minus 2 tan square a. Now sec 4a if I write, and cos is 1 upon sec square a, 1 plus sine square a minus 2 tan square a, tan square a. Now what will happen? What is going to happen is that I'll get 1 plus sine square a, and this will cancel sec square a, and you can bring sec square a as down, will become cos square a minus 2 tan square a. Now 2 tan square a again can be written as minus 2 sine square a upon cos square a. It can be written as this. So it will become what? 1 plus sine square a minus 2 sine square a upon cos square a. It will become what? 1 minus sine square a upon cos square a. And 1 minus sine square a is what? Cos square a. So cos square a upon cos square a, it will become equal to 1. So the value of the whole expression has come out to be 1. The value of the whole expression has come out to be 1. This is question number 8. 9. Question number 9. Sec alpha plus cosec alpha whole square. Sec alpha plus cosec alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus sec alpha, cos alpha plus sec alpha whole square minus tan square alpha minus cot square alpha. We have to find out the value of this expression. This expression is given sec alpha plus cosec alpha whole square plus cos square alpha plus sec square alpha minus tan square alpha minus cot square alpha. Let's open using the formula a plus b whole square. Let us open a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sec square alpha plus cosec square alpha plus 2 sec alpha and cosec alpha. Now open cos square alpha plus sec square cos square alpha plus sec square alpha plus 2 cos alpha and sec alpha. Cos alpha and sec alpha. This is not sec alpha, this is sine alpha. This is not. This is okay, cos and sec. It is sine here. It is sine alpha, so it will become sine square alpha 2 sine alpha and cosec alpha. So 2 cos square alpha plus, okay, 2 cos alpha and sec alpha will come here, minus tan square alpha minus cot square alpha. Now let us combine this sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. So let us combine this sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. This will become 1. This will become 1 cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha plus cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha. That will also become 1. This is cosec square alpha. This is minus cot square alpha. Then there is somewhere sec square. Yes. Plus sec square alpha minus tan square alpha. This sec square alpha and tan square alpha. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. And what is left? Left is 2 sine alpha and cosec alpha. So it will become 1 upon sine alpha plus 2 cos alpha and sec alpha is 1 upon cos alpha. Now in the next step, sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Cosec square alpha plus cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha is 1. Sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is 1. This sine alpha will cancel. Cos alpha will cancel. Plus 2 plus 2. So you will be left with 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. 5, 5 plus 2, 7 is the answer. What we applied was very basic method that we did. A plus b whole square sine alpha plus cosec alpha cos alpha plus sec alpha minus tan square alpha minus cot square alpha. We opened up everything. We combined certain terms. We got the certain values. Like sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha is 1, sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is 1, 2 sine alpha and 2 sine alpha cosec alpha became 2 sine alpha into 1 upon sine alpha plus 2 cos alpha into 1 upon cos alpha. Everything cancelled with each other and we were left with numbers which came out to be 7. The last question for this video is, he says if tan theta is alpha upon beta, he says find alpha sine theta minus beta cos theta upon alpha sine theta plus beta cos theta. Alpha sine theta minus beta cos theta upon alpha sine theta plus beta cos theta in terms of, find the value of that, obviously in terms of, I think, alpha upon beta. Given theta is in first quadrant. Theta is in first quadrant. Theta is positive. So what we do is divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Numerator as well as denominator, let's divide by cos theta. So what will we get is 11 sine theta upon cos theta minus beta cos theta upon cos theta upon alpha sine theta upon cos theta plus beta cos theta upon cos theta. Now let us see what do we get. We'll get 11 tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta minus beta upon 11 tan theta plus beta. And we know what is the value of tan theta. Tan theta is given in terms of alpha and alpha upon beta. I think tan theta was alpha upon beta. So where tan theta is replaced by alpha upon beta minus beta upon alpha into alpha upon beta plus beta. Now let's see what do we get from this. We'll take beta as LCM. It will become alpha square minus beta square upon beta upon alpha square plus beta square upon beta. So beta will cancel. We'll get values alpha square minus beta square upon alpha square plus beta square. So we got the value of the function alpha sine theta minus beta cos theta upon alpha sine theta plus beta cos theta in those terms. Alpha square minus beta square, alpha square upon alpha square plus beta square.